Welcome everyone. So the defense is important as well as attack. Today I'm going to demonstrate you three important stick block. So the first block. First grab the boost up from same direction with your hand. Just like this. Now switch the direction and place it your right or left and raise your leg. This defense is very important to save yourself from heavy attack. Now you can use this block in normal gripping, just like this. Or you can switch your upper hand and perform the block. You can use this block in two ways, depends on you. Now the second block. This block is very important to save your head from heavy head attack. See my gripping technique, and also you need to perform this attack in sitting. Now the third block. If you attack from behind, just place the boost up and raise your leg. Do not give your full body pressure on the stick. Remember this. This defense technique will allow you to save your leg from knife or any kind of heavy metallic attack. Now see it from the other side. Just place the boost up in the attacking direction and you are good to go. So this is it guys. Take care of yourself.